Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current subscribers. You're very welcome. Today it is a book review. The Practical Prepper, Common Sense Guide to Preparing for Emergencies. And this one is written by Kylene and Jonathan Jones. And first of all, I finished this yesterday. So I'm happy with that. So that means I can do a pretty decent review on it. Because I didn't know I had this book at the beginning, but I found it. And I was surprised. Jonathan and Kylene and Jonathan Jones. Wait a minute, I follow their channel. And I don't remember if I had read this book before. But I took the time to read it. And you know what? This book contains a lot of good information. And the book is very easy to read. And they explain things on a simple way. They keep it simple, and so you can understand it without too many technical words or things like that. And this book contains 23 chapters. So it is a lot of chapters to go through, but it's not a problem, because when you begin to read this book, you are stuck with it, basically. You want to keep reading, because this book has so much information, very good information. And I can give you a little clue on what this book contains is. It is where the first chapter is, where do I begin? Which is a good point, and it's where you should start. You need to begin somewhere. Chapter 2, what are the odds? Chapter 3, survive or thrive. Chapter 4, family emergency plan. Chapter 5, survival kits. Chapter 6, communication. 8, water disinfection and purification. Chapter 9, sanitation. Chapter 10, designer food storage plans. Chapter 11, food storage. Chapter 12, fuel safety and storage, which is really important actually. Chapter 13, emergency lighting. Chapter 14, emergency heating. Chapter 15, emergency cooking. Chapter 16, shelter. Chapter 17, keeping cool. And keeping cool is the chapter about when it's a heat wave and very hot outside. Chapter 18, home protection and security. Chapter 19, personal safety. Chapter 20, medical. Chapter 21, community. Chapter 22, Financial and Legal. Chapter 23, So Now What? And then after that, it comes some notes and about the authors. But, you know what, guys? This book is awesome. Really, really awesome. I suggest you get this book, and you know what? You will love this book. I love this book. So, get this book, and I will put the link where you can get this book. It's on Amazon, and I put the link in the description box for you guys so you can take a look at it and buy it for yourself. And it's very good reading. It's hard to take all the information in at once, but you can use this book as a reference if you need to know something you might forgot, which happens. You forget things. You can't have everything in your head. It's impossible. So guys, I highly recommend this book. And the Provident Preppers have not told me to do this. They haven't. I do this book review because I have read it and because I love this book, and I think it is worth to share with you guys. So, one more thing. They have also links, websites, links in this book. Well, you can't click on it, but anyway, it's references to websites in this book. They are where you can find certain information, which is really nice. So you can check this up. And as I said, the Provident Preppers has not asked me to do this about this book. They didn't ask me to do a review on it. I do it because I love this book and I want to share it with you guys because I consider it a book you need to have in your bookshelf. So, why don't you go and get it when this video is ended? So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it a lot. And you know what? Take care, stay safe, be prepared, and keep prepping. ShadowScoutSwede out.